What happens when a diabetic takes Moringa for 2 weeks? Welcome back to our channel, health enthusiasts. Today, we have an eye-opening topic that's generating quite a buzz in the world of natural remedies. What happens when a diabetic takes Moringa for 2 weeks? If you or someone you know is dealing with diabetes, you won't want to miss this. But before we dive into the miraculous journey of Moringa and diabetes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. It's the best way to stay up to date with our informative content. Diabetes, as many of you are aware, is a chronic condition that affects millions worldwide. Managing blood sugar levels can be challenging, but today, we're going to explore a natural solution that has been gaining popularity in recent years: Moringa. Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree or miracle tree, is a plant native to parts of Africa and Asia. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible health benefits. Now, let's get straight to the point. What happens when a diabetic incorporates Moringa into their daily routine for 2 weeks? 1. Improved blood sugar control. First and foremost, Moringa has been shown to have a positive impact on blood sugar levels. It contains compounds that can help regulate glucose in the body. Over the course of 2 weeks, many diabetics have reported more stable blood sugar readings, reducing the need for frequent insulin injections or other medications. 2. Increased insulin sensitivity. Moringa also enhances insulin sensitivity, which is a game-changer for diabetics. This means your body can use insulin more effectively, helping to transport glucose from the blood into the cells. In just 2 weeks, you might start feeling less dependent on insulin and more in control of your diabetes. 3. Weight management. For diabetics struggling with weight management, Moringa can be a godsend. It can boost metabolism and help with shedding those extra pounds, making it a valuable addition to your diabetic diet plan. 4. Antioxidant superpower. Moringa is loaded with antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene. These antioxidants can help reduce oxidative stress, inflammation, and improve overall well-being, all crucial for managing diabetes. 5. Better cardiovascular health. Diabetes often leads to heart-related issues. Moringa's heart-healthy properties can improve cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and support overall cardiovascular health. 6. Enhanced energy and immunity. Feeling tired and weak is a common struggle for diabetics. Moringa, with its rich nutrient profile, can boost your energy levels and strengthen your immune system, keeping those infections at bay. 7. Improved digestion. Healthy digestion plays a pivotal role in diabetes management. Moringa can help alleviate digestive issues, ensuring you can absorb essential nutrients effectively. But remember, no single remedy is a magic cure. Always consult your healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diabetes management plan. And speaking of plans, let's see what you can do to incorporate Moringa into your life. So, how can you introduce Moringa into your routine? There are various ways. 1. Moringa powder. This versatile form can be added to smoothies, juices, or even sprinkled on your meals. 2. Moringa tea. A soothing and delicious option to enjoy the benefits of Moringa. 3. Moringa capsules. If you prefer a more convenient approach, capsules are readily available. 4. Moringa leaves. Some people love using fresh moringa leaves in their salads or as a side dish. Remember to start slow and monitor your body's response. It's essential to maintain a balanced diet and continue with your prescribed medications as per your doctor's guidance. In conclusion, the impact of Moringa on diabetes is nothing short of astounding. Over the course of just 2 weeks, many diabetics experience more stable blood sugar levels, increased insulin sensitivity, and improved overall health. While Moringa is undoubtedly a valuable addition to your diabetes management plan, it should always complement, not replace, your existing treatment. If you found this information useful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more engaging content on health and wellness. And as always, consult with your healthcare professional to determine what's best for your specific situation. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay informed. Thanks for watching.